My lover makes no sound. His language is his hands. I watch his fingers dance and try to understand. I try to understand his elegant ballet. In my heart I can hear the words he wants to say. And so I've learned to speak a language he can hear, to tell him how I feel whenever he's near. He lives around the block, it's just a little walk. We'll meet tonight at 8. At 8 tonight we'll talk. Oh my love, oh my love, quiet love, quiet love. I am calm whenever you are near. Somehow I can hear what your heart wants to say. I have a small surprise to spring on you tonight. I'm learning how to sign. Please God I get it right. It's something that you do with confidence and ease. I'm clumsier than you. This might come out Chinese, but come and feel my heart. It's never danced this way. I'm nervous and it's hard. I have so much to say. I've always been afraid. My dreams seem so unreal. But now I bless this world for how you make me feel. Oh my love, yes, my love, you are shy. Go.